Hello, once again, it's Richard Dupey here. This is Lucky Tuesday. I can say congratulations to those who PERM this event that I posed the third game that I said is for the real families of the group. This game, they play single 8-43 from the Asida. So this is the second time I can say for this week that number is playing in NOONRUSH. When you focus on the NOONRUSH, they will not play. These people will go and play different things. If you leave it small, then they will go and play it. So they play two numbers from there again. So those who PERM the event here, congratulations. But let's go straight to this Lucky Tuesday. This one, confirmation from this NOONRUSH paper, NOONRUSH Wednesday paper. Confirmation. They play 87 at first position. 4 weeks up, they play 49. 5 weeks up, they play 49. Then they play 70 single 6. 4 weeks up, they play 41. Then they will play 22 on the way. Following week, they play 20 with 70. So you see the 70 in machine. Following week, they play 14. So 1, 2, 3. Then they play single 4 at 4th position. So following week, you see that the single 5 will play over there with the 70 and also with 62. So the single 5, 70, 62. Our 3 numbers. This event is also good though, but let's go straight to national. You will see things. Okay. First, we look at let's see one of the confirmation here first. Okay. This one. This confirmation is also good to play. The event is very good to play. That is in the year 2014. They play 58 single 5, 58 single 5. Following week, then the 58 10 85 to play. So following week, you see that the single 5 also jump to play with each counter. That is single 550, or we can say the 10. So the single 5 jump to play with it. That is one of the confirmation. The event is also good to play. Then let's go to another confirmation. This one is also one of the confirmation playing the 2 shore. Here also you can see they play single 5 with 58. Single 5 with 58. Following week the 58 10 85 to play on the event. Then following week the single 5 will jump here again, and here a play with the 62. That is the 2 short. We play with the 62. If you come to Lucky Tuesday current, you see the same thing. They play single 5 with the 58. Following the 58 10 85. So following the single 5 will have to jump and play with 62. That is one of the confirmation here. That is proving the 2 short. If you remember the one that I've just shown in the NOONRUSH Wednesday, the same 2 short is there, single 5 62. Then another confirmation again, also in national still. In this one is in the year 2012. At even 2575, 2575, they play single 5. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then they play 65. Following week, the single 4 play. So as they play the single 4, then following week, the single 5 will come back, play with the 62 again. That is, you can see the 62 on the event repeating from top to down and also down again. So as the 62 repeat like that, you can see it's a banker on its own. So this 2 short, single 5 62. Okay, now let's see the main one that I'm using. It also in national. This is the main event. It's in the year 2023. They begin at event 3168. They play 70 over there. 70. So correct counting is, let me say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then they play the 62 in machine. They play 70, then 62 in machine. Following week, then they play the single 5 with the 58 again. Single 5, 58. Following week, they play single 4. So following week, the single 5 will have to jump, play with this 62, and then the 70 from here to play with them. So you see the three numbers become single 5, 62, 70. As it is in that noon rush, like here, you see the same three numbers, single 5, 70, 62. The same single 5, 70, 62, the three numbers. So when you come to current to confirm what I've just shown, you see at event 874, they play the 70 over there. 15 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is the 62 in machine. So following week, they will play the single 5 and then the 58. Then following week, they play single 4. So as the single 4 play, the 5 will have to jump, play with this 62, and then the 70 from here. So 70, 62, single 5. The three numbers should come and play over here. That is what they play on this event. The event is going up, so that is what they play over here. So this is where we are now. But you will notice I marked 82 also on the event. The 70 over there, that is what key to the 82 on the event. So the 70, 82 is also a two show on its own. I will confirm that in the Lucky Tuesday itself. Here, you can see in the year 2007, in the Lucky Tuesday itself, they play single 5. Following week, single 4. Following week, you see the two show over there, number and its key, 70, 82 play over there. They use single 4 to lock the event in the middle. It's the same thing that they did over here. Single 4 following week, single 5 following week, single 4, then 82, 70. So the 82, 70 is also a two show on its own. If you come to the current, you see the same. Single 5 following week, single 4. So they have to play 82, 70. So this is the event that I'm using for Lucky Tuesday. Event 3151. Numbers on the event are 82, 88, 70, 62, and then single 5. Event 3151 in the national paper. Numbers on the event 82, 88, 70, 62, and then single 5. Thank you very much for being here. Let's hope Lucky Tuesday will drop what we expected. Okay, bye for now.